Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. So today I'm going to create this amazing look. To start off, I'm applying a primer as I have already moisturized my face before, and I'm only applying it to the T-zone areas. And to get rid of the dark circles, I'm using a concealer and I'm blending it with the help of this brush, as you can see. For foundation, today I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Sun Beige, that is 106, and this is a medium coverage foundation guys, and it gives a matte finish. This foundation is suitable for all Indian skin tone guys, and this is a waterproof and smudge proof foundation, and it's super duper easy to blend, as you can see it in the video. And the company claims that this foundation lasts up to 24 hours, so I guess it's not possible for one to wear foundation for 24 hours. I wore this foundation for about 8 hours and it was intact, and it's a nice foundation guys for the beginners who do not want high coverage foundations. And I guess that I have covered all the points regarding the foundation, so it's a must try one. And now I am locking my base with a compact powder, so this step is an essential one as it will help your base to stay intact. For highlighting my eyes, I am using another concealer. This concealer is 2 times lighter than my skin tone, and this will make your eye color pop. And the concealer that I am using now is from Maybelline in the shade medium. So first I have used the Kiko Milano Smart Color eyeshadow in the shade 19 as my transition shade, and I am blending it. This is such a pretty color. This is more of a neonish purple, and you have to build it gradually on the lid, and do take your time for blending it. So basically I am building the shadow from the lid to the crease up right there, and at the outer V I have used this purple from the Swiss Beauty Pro 32 eyeshadow palette, and I am using the same color on my lower lash line, and I have connected the shade from the lower lid to the upper one, and I am applying this mauve shade towards the inner corner, and this is from the Wet n Wild, and this is from the Rose in the Air palette, and I am using this shade to blend the crease line. Though it seems difficult to create this eye look, but it's not that difficult. If you want, you can add shimmers to your eyelid, but I have skipped that, and now I'm coating my lashes. And you can skip this part, else you can do like the way I'm doing. So basically I'm tightlining the lower and upper waterline, and now I'm removing the fallouts with a brush, and I am lifting my eyebrows with the help of this pulley that comes along with this tool that is from the Etude House. I'm not overdoing it, I'm just filling up the sparse spaces. So tell me, how are you guys doing? What's the easiest part about it? Are you being productive or just being lazy like me? And now I'm bronzing my face to enhance the features of my face, and make sure to apply it onto your jawline area and to your forehead, Basically, it's a great way to make your skin look radiant and healthy. And when applying bronzer, aim for the high points of your face. And for the lips, I have used the Lip Strobe Huda Beauty lipstick. And this is a matte lipstick, and it takes a lot for me to give a product 5 stars, but damn, I love this lippy. And now I'm using the Wet n Wild Ombre blush as both as a highlighter and a blush, and I'm not going to use any other blushes today as I am aiming for a glowy dewy look. And I'm applying it on my nose, as you can see, and connecting the sides. And when I say a glowy dewy look, I always go for lots and lots and lots of highlighting. And I have used Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I have previously highlighted my eyebrows, and I am putting it on my nose, cupid bow, and on the inner corner of my eyes. This makes your eye look bigger, and the highlighter usually hits up the look with a warm metallic sheen. And also apply the highlighter to the bridge of your nose. And here's the final look, and I have skipped the setting spray. I hope you have liked the video. For more such contents, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.